My cousin and I had a leaf jumping contest. We tried to see who could make the biggest splash. Leaves went flying everywhere. Mom wasn't happy, but we laughed so hard. I think I won, but don't tell him that.
If you've ever dreamed of creating cartoon-style videos but didn't know where to start, this tutorial is about to blow your mind. Let's get started.
First, I need to create a story. I have an idea for what I want. So I went to ChatGPT and asked it for 3 ideas to make for my animated story, and I need them to be under 20 seconds. The hero is an 8-year-old boy talking about his favorite thing to do in the fall, which is jumping in piles of leaves. So it gave me these story ideas. Then I asked it to give me a few more, and it did. Then I read through them and chose the one I liked best. Let's go to the next part of the process. Now it's time for the narration. I'll use 11 Labs. I've already chosen the voice for my character. Next, I've come to the text-to-speech area where I'll add my story text here. Then I'll click on Generate Speech. When it is ready, go here and click on Download. Now, we can go on to the next step in our process. Now, I need to create art for my character. I'm in Night Cafe. They have free and paid plans. As you can see, I've already created a few different images. I wanted to create a cartoon boy as the narrator for my story. I made several different images of him, then I decided on one. In Night Cafe, you can upscale, crop the background, and more. Since I have plenty of credits to do it, I will remove the background. Here is my image with no background, and that saves me a step. In the event that I couldn't use the background remover here, I would have had to do that somewhere else in another app. Next, I'll download it. Now that we have our character art, let's go to the next step. So, I'm back in Night Cafe. I made the art for the boy here, and now I need to make a cool background image. I made several houses. You can see, these are some of the backgrounds that I'll choose from. I came up with this one, and I think I will use it. You can upscale in here, and even animate your images. Once I chose my background image, I downloaded it to my computer. Now we are at a very important part of the video, where I'll actually make the character come to life. I was going to show you how to do this another way, but it was going to involve so many steps and different softwares that I decided against it. So, I decided to share my secret weapon with you, DID. Let me show you how to use it. This will make the process so much faster. It costs a little bit, but it's well worth it not to have to go through all the aggravation of using multiple softwares and confusing steps. Click on Create, then go to Standard Avatar. Upload your character art here. The next thing to do is go to the script area. You can record your own by clicking here, but I'll upload my recording here. I'll drag it in. Once you've got it loaded in, the next thing you do is click Generate. So as you can see, it does everything. I just can't tell you how much I love DID. It's so much easier. I don't have to go to multiple places to do this. You know, like remove the mouth and redo the eyes and all this other stuff. It does everything for me. The head moves, the eyes blink, the lips work. It's perfect. Once you're happy with it, click on Download. Now it's time to go to the next step. I'm back in Canva. Watch me now as I put all my pieces together to create a new movie. First, I'll go to the YouTube video area and click on that. If you don't see this, you can always go to video and then you'll find it there. Now it'll open a new page for me, plus I'll add a few more pages. just in case, and I'll add my background to all the pages. If I don't need these others, I'll just delete them later. Then I'll go to Uploads and add the boy that I just animated to the page. Next, I'll use the background remover, which is a paid tool in Canva. We'll give it a few seconds to finish. There we go. Once it's done, click on it, and you can see his eyes open and closing, as well as his mouth moving, and his head even moves a little bit. If he's talking too slowly, we can speed up the speech. Just click on playback and then change the speed to make him talk faster. That's how you do that. What to do next? How about adding a few animals to the background? Go to Elements and search for birds, click on these 3 dots, then click on Animated. Go to Graphics. Now we can see all the animated birds. Let's add this one to the background. Let's add some falling leaves. How about this one? Let's add it. But it's in front of his face, so let's fix it. Go to Position, go to Layers, and pull it between the two. So now it's behind him. There we go. We got that.
My cousin and I had a leaf jumping contest. We tried to see who could make the biggest splash. Leaves went flying everywhere. Mom wasn't happy, but we laughed so hard. I think I won, but don't tell him that.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.